What is going on? Cuts by Reggie here, and as you can see, I have my JRL 2020C Clipper have made it in. And this was just going to be an unboxing of the JRL. Beautiful. Nice packaging. But we're going to get to that later, because in my package, JRL sent some extra little shindiggies. See what we got in here. First, they sent us with the Fabulous hand sanitizer. Great for right now. And of course, we know what's going on in the world. Boom. Hat. I don't rock hats a lot, but I'm sure I can put this on my station somewhere. Nice little snapback. JRL, USA, JRL Professional. I could put it somewhere. Somebody else can get use out of it. All right. And then they sent us, what we got here? A cape and a schmuck. Now, I usually, all my capes are, Cuts by Reggie. But this here, we're going to see about that. That's good that they sent that in. Now, I don't know if it's because, of course, if you've been keeping up, they had the first 9 days. You ordered a JRL Clipper. And, they was donating to George Floyd Fund. Now, I don't know if this packaging that they put all this in comes with everybody who ordered, or if it's the pre-orders. But I pre-ordered mine. I've been waiting for a while. Finally got the stuff in. What else we got in here? Little pamphlet. All right. Of course, just breaking down cool blade technology, high grade stainless steel. I had a quick problem with the camera, but either way, cool blade technology, 7,200 revolutions per minute, 4 hours of runtime, quiet motor. Of course, I love that LED display that they have on there, showing you how much time you got left. I love it. I love the way it looks so far. I haven't held it in my hand yet. So either way, got that out the way. See if there's anything else in the box. All right. Nice little face mask. Again, it goes with the sanitizer. It's needed during these times. We're going to see how it is. Then got some extra little few shindigs in here. What's that? One of them pop sock things for your phone. Sticker. JRL something. Let's see what this is here. If I can get it open, and I can get it open. Look at the world. Look how the world works. We got it open. I have no idea what this is. Oh, hair grippers. Okay. Got some JRL hair grippers. I don't use hair grippers because I don't like the way they stick on some people's hair. But it's cool that they threw them in there, have a little something extra in there. Boom. Get all the extra stuff out the way. I don't need that no more. Time for the clipper. Professional cordless hair clipper, JRL. Of course, it got everything that's in the pamphlet, the blade, the revolutions, the LED, the hours of runtime. It says charging takes 3 hours, get you a full charge, but usage time is 4 hours. Rotary motor, so, we'll see how it go. And it says it opens all the way up to a 1. I've seen that on their page, their Instagram. And of course, it comes with your different sets of guards all the way up to an 8. So that's cool. Of course, a lot of clippers don't come all the way up to the 8. Boom, look at that. They give you a little screwdriver, cleaning brush, of course, the blades. All right, adjusting tool. All right, let's open this sucker up. Come on, come on. Don't want to break it. Don't want to mess it up, but. Ooh. All right, of course, they was going through their whole thing with it looking like bevel and all of that. We're not here for that. We're just here to see, unboxing, and see what the clipper actually looked like. But before we actually turn it on, that's light. That is light. Before we actually turn it on, let's see what's in the box. What's up with the packaging? There we go. It's a lot in that package. It is a lot in here. Little pamphlet, guards. See how these feel. A little sturdy, feels sturdy. I don't know how often I use an 8, but it's there if I need it. Of course, you got your charging block. Get that out of here. Of course, you got your charging block. Nice little screwdriver. I like that. It's like a full-blown screwdriver, not just a little tool. You got an oil, bigger size bottle of oil that you usually get in other, clippers. So I'll take it. My fat fingers in there. Adjusting tool. Brush. Okay. All right. I can get jiggy with that. But this is what it's all about. The JRL. This is nice. It's very light. Man, this is going to be smudgy. Look, you can see already it's going to be fingerprinted up. But it's cool. This is lighter than any clipper that I've held. It's very small compared to a Magic Clip. Of course, compared to a Master or a Senior. Charging port. Got the clicks. Can you hear that? You can hear it. Opens all the way up. Take it off. Boom. Fresh fade. I like that. I like that blade. That blade feels kind of plastic. Maybe it's just me. Feels kind of plastic. But either way, it is quiet. Look, already out the box, we got 3 hours of runtime. I like that. I mean, it's charged up. Not fully, of course, but we got 3 hours of runtime, and I will be doing some cuts with that. Oh, I forgot all about. Look at that. Woo! Yep, that's me. That's me right there. Cuts by Reggie. Of course, when they was doing the pre-orders and everything, they wasn't doing a name for everybody. They was just doing a name for barbers that they sponsored and all of that. But due to the hold up, they emailed everybody and, they started doing the engraving for everybody who pre-ordered in them 9 days. So, boom, we got a Cuts by Reggie. It almost made me not want to do nothing to it. Made me want to keep it clean, but it will be used. It definitely will be used. But it is quiet. Now, I'm at home right now, so I don't have another clipper in hand to compare the volume to, but it's quiet. The seniors are a lot louder than that. The seniors are a lot louder than that. I don't want to say it's too light where it feels cheap, but it is light. It is a light clipper. I will be putting it to use though, and we will be seeing how light it is. I love them clicks. See how it's not too close. I like it. I don't need it too close. I got other ones that's a lot closer than that. You see that blade? See that like that? Let's see how far it opens up. It is pretty wide, and they do say it's 2-1. I'm gonna keep these set exactly how they got them. And I will be using these in the next week. Doing a few haircuts. Maybe I'll record some haircuts of actually using them. This video was pretty much an unboxing of seeing what all came in the box, which you can see was a lot. And I'm not mad at it. I love the feel of it. I don't want to say it feels cheap, but it's very light. Like I said, them blades kind of feel. Of course, they're not plastic. They're not plastic, but it feels plastic. But that's what we use them for. So that's the unboxing of the JRL, the FF 2020C professional grade clippers. I've never used a brand of JRL. This is actually my first time actually using them, and actually seeing on Instagram that they was donating to the George Floyd Fund actually made me, I guess, kind of rush to pre-order. Took about a month, maybe month and a half for them to actually get here. So, I mean, hopefully it's worth the wait. Bro, I love that. I love that cuts by Reggie. Hopefully it's worth the wait. So we're going to see. If y'all used them already, drop it down in the comment what you think about them. And then, yeah, my next video, we will be getting a review of this clipper. I love that. That is nice. Let you know how much time. Now, hopefully it actually runs for that 4 hours, because I've bought a pair of clippers. I won't really say the company, but they said it ran for 4 hours or 4 or 5 hours, but it did not. Of course, I'm in the shop of high volume, so, you know, maybe I'm using, you know, back to back too much, or maybe I'm not paying attention to the actual battery charge. But I'm going to put these on a full charge overnight, and I'm going to start using them for the week, and hopefully I can get a few haircuts recorded. And my next video, we will have a full review. Not a bad looking clipper though. Of course, like I said, they was compared to bevel. He's a lot lighter than bevel. Of course, this is a clipper, bevel is a trimmer. And I know also JRL has a trimmer coming out with the same design. So we see how that goes. I do like that fade up. And okay, so I'm about to be out of this video, but it kind of seemed if I drop these once or twice, it might be over with. I've dropped my magic clips. I've dropped my seniors, you know, not meaning to. You just bump into something and drop them, and they've held up. These kind of seem like if I drop them too much, it's over with. They're real small. A lot smaller to hold in my hand than any other clipper that I've held. So either way, next video, review. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss that review. Cuts by Reggie, JRL.